Loli, hi! Why you show your butt?
Hello. Hello, guys. Thank you. Thank you again. We have nothing to say that. Thank you so much, guys.
We're happy every time we go live because you did not leave us.
Yes. 43. Hi. She need to sleep, guys. That's why we put in her cage.
Kita mo, pag naglalag ang signal talaga, nagbablurry siya, tiga niya, no?
Say
Loli,
hi to them,
them.
Loli, because they love you, Loli. They
Please
love
like,
you, Loli.
please like.
Maganda man ang ano nila. Yan sa swimming pool. 51 viewers. Hi. Hello, everyone. Pagka mamaya, pag tinawag ka na naman, sisigaw.
Madam! Live man yan.
Sasabihin mo na.
You know, we are waiting to call. We are here because we are waiting that Madam will call. Madam!
Oh, where are you, Loli? Where are you, Loli? We just finished cleaning, guys. Too much tired. Oh my God.
Since morning, just now we
Grabe ang
finished.
pagod, mga kababayan ng Philippines. Grabe ang pagod. 70 viewers. Hi to everyone. Thank you, thank you. Thank you guys for watching. Look at Loli before she sleep. She's eating dinner. Here in Qatar is 6. Anong oras na?
6:35.
6:35. Go inside, Loli. If you are eating, go inside your kitchen. Go inside, not here. Inside your kitchen. Go inside your kitchen. Not here. Inside your kitchen. Go. Go. Ah. Ah. Tignan mo si Loli nakaupo. Ah, sabi niya rin sa akin. My signal, guys, is very poor. Poor signal. Reconnecting.
Loli, can you please talk? Because we don't have energy to talk anymore. And 13 viewers, Loli, 13 viewers. Loli, please. Yeah, Loli.
No problem. They can understand me. Mini Loli. Can understand me that I cannot talk. 57 viewers. Hello.
57 ba yan,
Hi,
ate?
guys. How many?
37.
37 viewers. Hi. Good evening. Here is very bad.
You're live.
Very
It's 67. Now 67.
Very weak signal. Very weak.
Kung kita mo, 67 ate.
67 viewers. Hello. Shout out. Mariam Abataytay. How are you?
Shout out everyone.
Shout out
Sabi ko na
everyone to my 67 viewers.
Bakit, paano yung comment?
Viewers. May mga pumapasok
Share.
tapos nawawala agad, no?
Ate,
Ha?
paano ang, hindi mo naman
Paano
inayos
mag-open
ang,
kaya ng ano, no?
dapat kanina, inayos mo na bago ako mag-start.
Oo nga eh. Paano ba? Wala naman ako nakikita.
Next time, huwag ka muna, ano mo muna, hanapin mo muna lahat, pindutin mo, pwede
Oo,
pindutin.
para pwede sila mag-comment. Kasi
Ano ba
hindi
to?
namin alam pa kung paano mag-comment kayo, guys. We don't know how to open the comment section here. Tignan mo nga yung dot dyan.
Wala,
guys.
share lang.
Ay,
Ito pala.
ito, mga mga
Saan?
yan, yan.
Ito nga, lumalabas lang.
Ay,
Babalik yan sa cellphone mo.
sa
yan,
home na yan, no?
Home yan, oo. Ito ano to, pang note to, tino to.
Subukan mo nga pindutin.
Pindutin ko, natatakot.
We will try, guys.